Hi everyone, welcome to this quick demo of Sendoship. In this video, I will show you how we simplified FedEx label generation using automated package templates and seamless API integration. So you can create a shipping labels faster, easier with zero manual efforts. First, we will configure the FedEx API credentials. For that, we need to click Settings. You will be redirected to the API credentials page. Now we click on New Credentials. Here you will enter your four key details: account number, client ID, client secret, and API type. These values comes from directly from your FedEx developer account. When creating your project in FedEx, make sure you select the correct API type and environment, either sandbox or production. Next, make sure the active toggle is enabled. Once the everything is filled, click the save credentials. Your credentials will now appear in this list where you can edit or delete them anytime. Then we need to configure the one-time setup, which is a package templates. If you click the setup page, you will be redirected to the setup page. Package templates allow you to save all your standard shipment details in one place, so you don't need to re-enter them every time. This helps save time and avoid manual errors. Here you can able to see the add template button. Click that. Now in the following fields, fill the respective details. The template name, give it a meaningful name. Account number, select the same active account number you added earlier. Then the carrier type, select it like FedEx Express or FedEx Ground or something like that. And if you select it, service type will be prompted. This will get activated. So you need to select the service type. So I'm going with the FedEx today. Then we need to select the packaging type. So as of now, we have this default FedEx packaging types. You can, if you want to customize these things, you can go with your packaging. Then we need to enter the dimension and units. So enter the length, width, height, and unit. And the package you can select the package unit also. You can change it like inches or centimeters. You can able to select. Then we need to enter the weight. So it will be like pound or kilogram. We can give that. If you have any weight in additional weight, you can specify here in ounces. Then we need to enter the company shipper details, company name and shipper phone. We can able to do that. So the maybe the store name or something. Then we need to enter here your contact number. Then the pickup details. In the pickup detail, we need to select there are three types of pickup available. So I'm go with the use scheduled pickup, and these are the preferred currency. So in the preferred currency is the currency which will be shown the rates. So if you want to add any other currencies also, please feel free to contact us. We'll add that too. Now I'm going with the USD. Then the label type. There are two type of labels. One is like label and URL only, which is label is like a PDF. This will give a PDF as output of the label generation API. So if you select URL, you will get the label as a URL. So I'm going with the label. Then there's a billing information. Billing information means the charges will fall under. So if you select sender, this the shipping process and charges will be falling under sender side only. So after completing this, if you click the create template, it will be created and listed out in this table. So if you complete all this, if you want to edit this, you can able to edit. If you want to delete, you can delete this. After completing things, we can head to manage shipments. In the manage shipments, we have order details. So in the orders list, we can select any of the order listed below, and we can able to generate a label for it. So if you're going with this, we can able to select this. By clicking the create shipment, it will prompt you to the shipment manager. Here you will see these configurations. Here we can able to see the package specification. If you select the package specification, it will automatically fetch the rates from FedEx APIs. So it will show the rate here. If you are comfortable with this price, you can go with the create shipment label. If you click this, it will create a label for you. So if you extract it, you can have your label as a PDF. So this is the label. So you can